This is an amazing, amazing sourdough pizza crust mix, which I got on Amazon. I used my KitchenAid mixer to get it really tacky. This is a sourdough bread kind of thing, so you do have to let it rest 6 hours to 24 hours ahead of actually making the crust. Make sure you flour it, or else it does this and tears the crust. So I use flour to sprinkle it on, which I'll show you later. This pizza sauce from Trader Joe's is incredible. Highly, highly recommend. Here's a little bit of the process of like putting the sauce on with a spoon. If you have a little ladle spoon, that works even better. I was generous. I'll show you later. This is just me starting conservatively and then later on getting more liberal with my pizza sauce. This is how much sauce I used on each pizza. On the first pizza, which you'll see at the end, actually, I used mozzarella cheese sliced, and then I used shredded for this one. So this is the regular one with shredded cheese. And then for my husband, he doesn't eat dairy. So if you guys are vegan or don't eat dairy, this is really good at Trader Joe's. Use some black olives. This is that beautiful flour from King Arthur, really good. Sun-dried tomato. So this is just the regular vegan pizza. And then here's one with toppings. Bon appetit.